Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to install a dark icon pack on your Vivo or Funtouch OS mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to get this dark icon pack on your Vivo or Funtouch OS mobile phone, just going to show in this video. You can see everything actually on darker. So it's like actually the app cover, it's look like an app cover, but everything it's look darker. Even every apps it have a cover, and if it is having a unique app, it will be changed the icon. For an example, in the album it has been changed, and in the message doesn't have changed, and have the icon pack on the camera section is having changed. And this is how you just can make a Docker icon pack. In the lock screen you can find a Docker wallpaper, a lion wallpaper, and then you can find a digital clock, and you just open it. To get this thing, go to the theme store and just search as lion, and you can find this theme, the lion, in the dock, and just it's actually a 2 MB theme. You can just apply it. You can also make a mashup by using the theme, and you can just use this icon pack one on the themes that's on you using on your Vivo or Funtouch OS mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.